Hi everyone, I'm Hafiz Turk. Welcome to another insightful episode where we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing agriculture. AI is reshaping farming through crop monitoring, pest control, and yield prediction, making agriculture smarter, more efficient, and highly productive. Let's dive into this fascinating topic. With a rapidly growing population and increasing food demands, traditional farming methods are struggling to keep up. But here's the good news. AI provides innovative solutions by optimizing resource use, improving decision-making, and boosting agricultural productivity. Through machine learning, data analytics, and computer vision, AI is enabling precision farming like never before. Let's start with crop monitoring. Maintaining crop health is essential, but manual inspection can be time-consuming and often inaccurate. Enter AI-driven crop monitoring systems, which provide real-time, precise insights into plant conditions. Artificial intelligence-powered drones and satellites capture high-resolution images of fields. Computer vision analyzes these images to detect nutrient deficiencies, water stress, and overall crop health. Farmers can target specific areas for treatment rather than relying on guesswork. And then there are smart soil sensors. These AI-integrated devices measure moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels, offering recommendations for irrigation and fertilization. The result? Reduced waste and increased productivity. Even greenhouses are getting smarter. Automated greenhouses use AI to control temperature, humidity, and lighting, optimizing plant growth with minimal manual intervention. Now let's talk about pest control. Pests cause significant damage to crops, and excessive pesticide use harms the environment. Thankfully, AI introduces more precise and sustainable pest management solutions. Computer vision technology helps AI analyze crop images and identify early signs of pest infestations. This allows farmers to apply targeted pest control methods, reducing unnecessary pesticide use. Smart pest traps take it a step further. Equipped with cameras and sensors, they monitor pest activity and activate biological control agents or mechanical traps when specific pests are detected, minimizing harm to beneficial insects. And what about preventing outbreaks altogether? AI models analyze historical climate data and pest behavior to forecast potential threats. Armed with this information, farmers can implement preventive measures and reduce crop damage. Next up, yield prediction. Accurate yield forecasts help farmers, agribusinesses, and policymakers plan better and optimize resources. AI analyzes historical harvest data, weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop genetics to predict yields accurately. This empowers farmers to make informed decisions about planting and harvesting. Unpredictable weather can wreak havoc on crop production. That's why AI-driven weather forecasting is so valuable. It provides precise climate predictions, enabling farmers to prepare for extreme conditions like droughts and storms. And it doesn't stop at the farm gate. AI streamlines the supply chain by predicting market demand, optimizing storage and distribution, and reducing food waste. This ensures fair pricing and improved logistics for everyone involved. So, what does the future hold for AI in agriculture? The possibilities are endless. Imagine AI-driven robotic harvesters, autonomous farming vehicles, and AI-assisted plant breeding. These technologies will improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and promote sustainable farming practices. But challenges remain. Implementing AI requires significant investment in technology, training, and infrastructure. Small-scale farmers in developing regions may struggle to access these solutions. Governments and agricultural organizations must collaborate to make AI-powered tools affordable and accessible to all farmers. AI is transforming agriculture by making farming more precise, efficient, and productive. From real-time crop monitoring and smart pest control to accurate yield prediction, AI is changing how food is cultivated and harvested. As technology evolves, AI-driven agriculture will play a key role in ensuring global food security and sustainability. What do you think about AI in agriculture? Will it completely redefine farming? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights into AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.